Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Uno come stroll with me in the kitchen and make us see what go on. On today's menu we have for some drinkings, we have some good old Jamaican strong back juice. And here are the liquor ingredients that I will be using for those build a liquor drinks vibes, mix up a liquor something. So yeah, see it here. So first thing, I'm going to put my carrots and okra to boil. This is 4 okras and 2 carrots. So I'm pouring some hot water on them and I'm adding some salt and make it cook. And here it is, all done. Take it off the fire and set it aside to cool. Now here I have my peanuts and oats together in some water. They have been soaking. You can have them soaking from overnight too, that's fine. So now I'm just going to blend them up. So I'm dashing them into my little mix up and blender. And I added a little water to my container just for rinse out me and get the rest of my ingredients because I know some want all of it. And I dash it in, cover her up and blend. So now that it blend out and nice and smooth, I'm going to pour it into my little mixing bowl. Ooh, oh, so creamy and nice looking. That looks so good. That looks amazing. I don't know I'm want the whole light, so of course, wait, make it drain. If you need one spoon for scrape it out, gets the scraping. Now that my okra and carrot cool down, by the way, uno please make sure say uno make this cool before uno blend it, you know, else what a piece of autocapsy in our kitchen. And the water that's in it, where we boil with it, uno don't dash it away. It have bear nutrients and excitement. How pretty color. By the way guys, uno know me don't like okra, and I can promise you guys this juice is amazing. This is my mom's recipe and me I drink it for years. It's not slimy and gross. So I added the carrot and okra blend to the bowl. Now it's time for overflow. So pour the vanilla nutriments. That would be like, you know, your Suppligen, yeah, because it tastes like it. And also I added my dragon stout, but I'm using only some of it for now, right? And mix it all up. Guys, this juice is everything. That looks so, it don't look nice, it looks so dreamy. Dreamy is the word. It looks so dreamy, looks so good, so delicioso. Now let's add the condensed milk. I added half of the can, and guys, stir this thing in well to incorporate everything. Make sure to mix it up, mix it out good and properly. That just look, I ain't got no words. That looks so good. Comment down below and tell me, you not think it look good? It look really good to me. Now let's add the vanilla, nutmeg and cinnamon. So it's a cork full of vanilla I add though, and stir that up. and then taste to see what you need. So when me taste and see what it lack, then I just add. So I'm going to add the rest of the dragon and the condensed milk because it didn't taste like it had too much in there. So I could actually use the whole bottle. So yeah, one whole tin of condensed milk end up on going there because this is like a good way to do it, guys. Not just dash in everything. Add little taste. So now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rum and also 1 tablespoon of red label wine. We are not alcohol drinkers like that, so that's all we need. If you like more, then add it to your liking. Mix it up. And you definitely need to mix it good because you know so the condensed milk will settle at the bottom of the bowl. So mix and stir it up, and when you get it good, then taste. That looks so good. You can tell it's so refreshing and nice. And I don't like mine to be too thick where you can hardly drink it or wait to come out like say some porridge or something. No, that's not my style. But if it's yours, then go ahead, do you, boo. Vibes fam, see we ya. See we like a mix up and blender ya. And this is the only mix up and blender me interested in. So let's pour it out. That's what the crowd is going to be doing when you make this for them, and them taste it, or better yet, when you make it for Obi. Because you don't know, you have to bless up Obi with some strong back juice every now and again. Yes. So yeah, this is it. So amazingly delicious. This is my mom's recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I had a grandiose time drinking it. So Vibes fam, I just wanted to show you guys my little setup that I did for my little photo shoot for the cover photo. Don't know, I just try a little thing. So I dash down a buckle, fling down some peanut, and I weed that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and tell me if this is the same way you make your strong back juice. Is it? Make me know. And please don't forget to share my videos. You want to share my video? Share my video. If you don't like my thing, share it. You know, you can't keep it to yourself. You don't selfish. Just share, please. Right? New watchers, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. The link is in the description below. God bless you. And I thank you for the little support. I really appreciate it. Thanks.